In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the reminder feature in ClickUp. If staying organized is crucial to your workflow, setting up reminders is an excellent tool to ensure you never miss an important task or deadline. Today, we'll go through the entire process of setting it up from start to finish. So, grab your device and let's get started. First, open ClickUp using your preferred web browser and log in to your account. Now, once you're inside the ClickUp interface, look towards the top right of your screen where you will see your profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. Clicking on your profile icon opens up a menu with several options, and among them, you should select Create Reminder. This is the key to starting your task reminder setup. Once you open up the Create Reminder option, you'll want to begin by giving your reminder a name. Naming your reminder accurately is essential since it helps you quickly identify the task that needs your attention later on. So take a moment to think of a descriptive name that clearly indicates what the reminder is about. With the name in place, you next need to set a date for your reminder. This step is crucial as it determines when ClickUp will alert you about the task. You'll want to pick a date that gives you enough time to prepare or act on the reminder, depending on its nature. Following the date selection, you may want to delegate this reminder. ClickUp allows you to assign reminders to team members, or you can simply keep it for yourself. If you're working collaboratively, delegating reminders can be a very useful organizational feature. After you've decided on assignees, it's time to ensure you're notified. Click on Notify Me, so you receive alerts at the right time. This is where you can decide how far in advance you'd like to be reminded of your task. Whether you prefer an hour, a day, or a week in advance, set this according to your personal preferences. Once all these details are in place, click on Create Reminder to save everything you've just configured. It's that simple to ensure you're on top of your schedule. Let's explore a different approach to creating reminders. Go over to your task list and select a task. Clicking on the task will display additional options. If you look closely, one of those options marked by 3 dots contains the choice Remind Me in Inbox. By selecting this, you can set specific reminders for tasks directly from your inbox. Again, choose when you'd like to be reminded. By the end of these steps, you should feel confident using ClickUp reminders to enhance your productivity and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.